National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Morton County in south-central North Dakota, Oliver County in south-central North Dakota, northwestern Grant County in south-central North Dakota, until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 1:15 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time, or 12:15 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles north of Wink to 7 miles north of Menokin to near St. Anthony, moving east at 65 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. At 1:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a 62 miles per hour wind gust was reported at the Bismarck Airport. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New Salem, Glen Olin, Center, Almont, Hanover, Judson, Hensler, Fort Clark, Nelson Lake, Cross Ranch State Park, Price, Sweetbriar Lake, Crown Butte Lake, Sanger, Fish Creek Dam, and Lake Harmon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.